Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to order the decimal numbers in ascending order. So smallest to biggest. Let us write all these numbers vertically and must take care that the decimal points are aligned. So first is 4.205, then we have 4.52, then we have 4.057, after then we have 4.5, and at the last we have 4.253. We can see that in 4.205, 4.057 and 4.253 there are 3 decimal places. So let us write a placeholder 0 in 4.52 as well as write 2 zeros as a placeholder in 4.5. So there will also be 3 decimal places. Now start comparing digits from left to right. So first digit is 4 in all the numbers. So let us move forward 1 digit towards the right. So here we have 25052. 0 is the smallest one. So 4.057 is the smallest number. So let us write 4.057 first. So this number is done. So let us cross it out. So now let us compare another 4 numbers. So in another 4 numbers we can see that after the decimal point we have 2552. So 2 is the smallest, but there are 2 in the 2 numbers 4.205 and 4.253. So for these 2 numbers we will move forward 1 digit towards the right side. So the next digit is 0 and here it is 5, and 0 is smaller than 5. So the next smallest digit is 4.205. Let us write it here 4.205. Now this number is done, so let us cross it out. Now in the remaining 3 numbers after the decimal point we have 552. So 2 is the smallest. So 4.253 is the next smallest digit. So let us write it here 4.253. So this number is done. So let us cross it out. After then we have 2 remaining number 4.520 and 4.500. After the decimal point we have 5 in both the numbers, which is same. So let us move forward 1 digit. So next digit is 2 and 0. 0 is smaller than 2. So 4.500 means 4.5 is the next smallest digit. So let us write 4.5 here, and this number is done. So we will cross it out, and at last the one remaining number is 4.520. We will write the original number, so 4.52. Hope this video will help you how to order the decimal numbers in ascending order, means smallest to biggest.